Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best weight distribution hitches that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're towing a camper, trailer, or any heavy load, these hitches can make a world of difference. You can find the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 4, we have the Camco Eaz-Lift Elite 1200 pounds weight distribution hitch. This hitch is designed to deliver a smoother ride, making it an ideal choice for those who prioritize comfort while towing. One of its standout features is the universal round spring bars, which can be used interchangeably on either side of the hitch. The pre-installed U-bolts and chain package save you time during setup, a convenience that frequent towers will appreciate. When it comes to build quality, the Camco hitch is made of alloy steel with a powder-coated finish for corrosion resistance. It supports up to 1,400 pounds of tongue weight and a gross weight rating of 14,000 pounds, making it suitable for mid-size trailers and campers. The height-adjustable forged shank and positive latching action add to its versatility, ensuring a secure and stable connection. However, at 79.5 pounds, it's not the lightest option, which might make installation a two-person job. On the downside, the chains and U-bolts might require occasional adjustments during long hauls. At $300.98, it's a solid mid-range option with a good mix of quality and performance. Pros include its strong tongue weight capacity, pre-installed components, and smooth towing experience. Cons are its weight and the need for occasional adjustments. In the third spot is the Fastway Connect weight distribution hitch. This hitch is a solid performer for those who need a simple yet effective solution for towing stability. Its hardened steel chains and round bar arms provide excellent weight distribution, which translates to improved steering and braking control. The chain-based system allows for fast and easy adjustments by simply changing the chain lengths, making it highly user-friendly. The build quality is impressive with a powder-coated alloy steel construction that ensures durability and corrosion resistance. It boasts a maximum tongue weight of 1,000 pounds and a trailer weight capacity of 10,000 pounds, making it well-suited for a variety of towing scenarios. From RVs to cargo trailers, the Fastway Connect hitch offers universal compatibility with no drilling required during installation. However, it's worth noting that while the design is practical, it lacks some of the advanced sway control features found in higher-end models. This hitch is perfect for those who want a straightforward, reliable solution without unnecessary bells and whistles. Pros include ease of use, robust build quality, and compatibility with different trailer types. Cons are the absence of premium sway control features and the lack of pricing details, which might make it less appealing for budget-conscious buyers. Our runner-up is the Reese 49913 Integrated Sway Control Weight Distribution Kit. If you're after increased stability and security, this hitch delivers with its pre-installed sway control ball and tapered spring bars. The inclusion of a deep drop shank makes it compatible with taller trucks, while the no-drill brackets ensure an easy installation process. This kit is designed to provide constant weight distribution across the axles, enhancing ride comfort and control. The Reese hitch is built from high-strength steel with a powder-coated finish for durability and corrosion resistance. With a gross trailer weight capacity of 11,500 pounds, it's ideal for larger trailers like fifth wheels and toy haulers. However, at 102.7 pounds, it's the heaviest on our list, so you might need help during installation. That said, its performance and stability make it worth the extra effort. At $353.92, it sits in the premium range but justifies its price with excellent build quality and features. Pros include its high towing capacity, integrated sway control, and compatibility with taller trucks. Cons are its weight and slightly higher price point compared to other options. Finally, taking the top spot is the CURT 17601 TrueTrack 2P Round Bar Weight Distribution Hitch. This premium option delivers outstanding performance, combining precise weight distribution with integrated sway control. The TrueTrack system features a tilting head for easy adjustments and a highly adjustable 7-hole shank, ensuring the perfect fit for your towing setup. It also includes a durable fabricated head for dependable strength. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds and a maximum tongue weight of 1,000 pounds, the Curt Hitch is suitable for a wide range of trailers. Its carbide black powder coat provides excellent corrosion resistance, ensuring it can withstand harsh conditions. The setup process is straightforward, and its advanced sway control system significantly reduces trailer sway, making it perfect for long-distance towing. At $399.95, it's the most expensive on our list, but the combination of quality, performance, and advanced features makes it worth the investment. Pros include its superior sway control, high towing capacity, and durable construction. Cons are the higher price and heavier weight compared to budget options. If you're serious about towing and want the best of the best, the Curt 17601 is the way to go. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Happy towing!